Ni guys, gipagkuyog ko sa kumbana padong Manila para kasakay og airplane. Ganun tayo. Na, kuyog talipong sakay. This is my first time.
Size.
Wow.
Jumay.
Padong na ta check-in ani guys sa Cebu Pacific.
Maghuka sa puwag sa
Thank you. That's right.
Yes, I can play.
Tarong.
Di ba na-reverse to?
566 bound for Manila. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour. We'll be cruising the altitude of 36,000 feet. Weather route is forecasted to be cloudy with light to moderate turbulence, and Manila weather update shall be reported prior to our descent. To safeguard guests and crew members against the threat of this pandemic, Cebu Pacific has implemented additional precautionary measures to provide everyone's peace of mind while in flight. Your safety and comfort is always our priority, as we request all guests to pay attention to the announcement from the flight deck and your cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate to call on the attention of your cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarifications on these important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
In the global airline industry. Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Make first moments happen.
We are paging for the passenger named Kathleen Murdano. If you are on board, kindly raise your hand. Once again, Kathleen Murdano. Kathleen Murdano, if you are on board, can you raise your hand? Ayun.
뭐해라는 누구자에 네가 보고 싶어 날 속마음을 provided with a seatbelt.